bottle until it get hollow.
This is about to make a big difference. Big changes coming right now. Alright, what's up everybody? Rez back here again, and we're here with Angelo today. We're gonna get he just got a new carbon fiber hood we're gonna be trying to install, but we're gonna see how many people it takes to take apart the box that it came in right quick.
Just texted.
So let's set this down and let's get to it. All right, we got it out. Time to take it out of the cardboard that it came in.
Let's lay it down.
I don't know.
Yeah, we can lay it down.
Maybe over here on the side.
Yeah. Let's do that.
All right. I'm trying to see where I could put this thing, the camera.
Right there.
It's over here. You're gonna use all this stuff. You can use it to put your old hood in there. Oh, what happens to the emblem though?
Yeah, I think I gotta punch a hole and stuff. Or actually,
You have to drill it.
yeah.
You could take it to a shop.
It's all good. It's easy.
Nice. That's pretty clean. Pretty clean. All right. I think he just wanted to turn on his hood or his car to open the hood, because I don't think that was necessary, but correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe he doesn't even know how to open it. All right, pop it open. Turn the car off so it doesn't get hot. How do you do this contraption? Does it still have the thing on it? BMWs don't have that no more. Alright, so now what we're figuring out is just what we're gonna have to take out. Pretty easy. So it looks like right here and right here. So it's fairly easy. Then the only thing that we'll have to reattach, well, nothing, not even this, because
Yeah, it's
just this, the top part, the bracket, and then the side pieces, and then the
washer.
no, you don't have washers. Are they in here?
Yeah, right here.
Where?
See? The hose is right here.
Oh snap, it's integrated into this piece?
Yeah.
We'll leave that there for now, but shouldn't be too hard. We're gonna go ahead and let's scope this out. V, help me pick this up so I can show the camera and whatnot. So, looks like there's a little gap here for the thing. There's little screws for all the pieces. Everything looks pretty decent, so we're gonna start undoing the other one, but this looks really clean. You just have to wash that off with some Rain-X or something. But V, how do you feel about the hood so far?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hopefully
Pretty cool.
we can install it easy.
Hopefully we don't break anything.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start doing that now. So we saw a video on how to take these off right here. These thingies. So you need to use like a flathead right here, which I'm gonna grab a smaller one, but use a flathead here, focus. You pull this thing out that kind of, I guess, keeps pressure, and then you pop it out at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down, grab a different flathead, and then we'll go ahead and we'll start that process right here in a little bit. That was easy, as he quoted. Got the first one out, as you can see. Pretty simple process, just follow the instructions I kind of gave you. V's gonna go ahead and hold it, and I'm gonna go ahead and see how I can angle you guys so you guys can see what's going on. Probably like right here. Hold it so it doesn't destroy my camera, V. You just pulled it out, right?
Yeah. There you go.
There we go.
Yep, now there's one more.
And the hood props are out. Should be easy. Now what I'm gonna need you to do, V, is just hold it and then we're probably gonna grab some help so we can take this off. So we'll encountered our first problem, and that's that right here. If you take a look, it doesn't come with the studs to bolt it onto the bracket right here. So if you look on the stock hood, which we've tactically placed in the trunk of this car right here, it's got these studs right here that come out. So we're gonna research what these are and probably try to run to the hardware store to go buy them. So we'll be right back. Made it to the hardware store here. Lowe's is the only place open. So let's look for these bolts. Time to match this. Focus. Maybe one of these. I'm thinking, maybe this one. I don't know. We'll see.
Did you find anything?
Yeah, I think so. But I'm not sure. Right here. So this is what I got here. Right here.
Let's see.
Today 8 years old when I found out that, look at this. You can bring your own stuff and just test it. This is it, dude, right here. So it's gotta be
10.
Where do you see 10 at?
Oh, 1.0.
1.0. Does it fit in this one? No, too small. And this one's too big, so it's M6 times 1.0.
By M6
times 1.0. Alright, update. We found them. Luckily, hopefully this is good enough. We got different sizes. We'll see when we get there. But right now we're just gonna keep looking around, see if we can find anything else. Maybe some Loctite or something like that. We'll see. 3M tape. That's what we need. We'll be right back. Just leaving the hardware store now. We got what we need.
I got you.
V
I got it.
strategically forgot his wallet, so he wouldn't. So Benny had to pay because I also left my wallet. But we're headed back now. We'll catch you back up on the hood when we get Benny. He's gonna go ahead and hook us up by holding the camera for us while we install this right quick.
Am I gonna be in the credits at the end of this?
You know I feature you in every one of my videos.
Really?
You're always tagged in all of them. Where's the
Right there. You see the hood? You see the hood?
We got a couple cars here. Got Barry's daily driver GTRs here. We got the work van going on with the OEM hood. And we're getting ready to prep.
Hold on to it. We're gonna test it out right quick to see which one of these we're gonna use.
Yo,
I think I got the
Josh, 1 sec, your battery's dead, dude.
It just died or it's low?
Yeah, it's probably gonna die soon.
If it dies, it is what it is. I got the charger. I got the charger, so we can.
You should probably get an extra battery pack or something.
Yeah. All right, so we'll just come back to when we get to putting it on. All right.
Okay.
It took us a while. We got it in there. It was a little bit difficult trying to get the windshield washers on there, but however, sorry, I gotta move this strap. It's on there, and I'd say it looks pretty good. We're gonna get some more shots in other videos of it during the daylight, but I'd say the fitment, slight little gaps here, but nothing too crazy. I'd say it's like a 9, 8.5 out of 10. I wish it did come a little bit with a little bit more of the pre-drilled holes, like for the windshield washer, and I wish it also had like hardware for the latches, which is why we went to Lowe's. But V, how do you feel about your new hood?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, you know. Res M3 helped a lot, so pretty satisfied.
All right. So I'm not a mechanic or nothing, but we try to get things done here. But we'll get some more pictures and stuff and video next time. But until next time, you already know the deal. We'll see you next week.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25.
Hey, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Red's out.
When y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see